Welcome to NextGen web channel. In today's video we are going to look at few problems related to scope and closures. Okay, so let's get started. So we need to find the output of this code statement. So there will be some for loop, and inside that we have setTime mode, and this will be the our callback function. Okay, so you need to find out what is the output of this line. So what it prints in console, let's find out. 333. How? Because this var is reference to global memory. So at the end of this callback function, okay, it will find the value 3 in I. So it prints 333. So what happens with setTime mode? So it will store this callback function in callback queue. Okay, it will execute after 1000 milliseconds. So before the loop was running, executed, and at the time of execution the value of I will be 3 in global memory space, since we are using var keyword. So 3 times it will execute, right? So output will be 333. Got it? So now the second problem will be, I want to print out 0 1 2. How we need to print 0 1 2? Just simple, we just need to replace this var with let. Let's see in browser. We see 0 1 2. How? Because this let is block scope, okay, and it's local for the loop. So these closures, right, these closures capture this function along with I for each iteration, okay, so that it would be 0 1 2 in case if you use let keyword. Got it, right? Because each iteration I value will be different, right? Because it's local scope. In case of var, it is global scope, so that it just reference, right? So in global scope it just point out to that I variable, so that it will print 333. In case of let, it will be local scope, so that it will store this callback function separate for each iteration, so the value will be 0 1 and 2. So now our third problem arises. So suppose the interviewer asking, without changing to let, I want to print out 0 1 2. So you should use var, but still I need to print 0 1 2. How? Just reiterate this snippet. Let's say some function. We'll keep this function inside. Okay, now what we are doing is we just write one function, and inside that we are looping, and inside that we are writing another function. Okay, another function. Inside that we have setTime mode. With this callback function we have else. So hope you remember the closure concept. Okay, it will remember the variables. Okay, So now you can see in browser value will be 0 1 2. How? With where keyword, now what happened is, due to we are separating this function, right? The copy of I is pointing to same memory location in where, right? So somehow we need to create a new copy of I every time. So it already forms a closure with this set time mode. So we are forming this closures with set time mode. So if I call this, each time new copy of I will be created. Okay, in other words, each time it called new execution cut test with each iteration. Okay, so value of I will be 0 1 and 2. Got it, right? Due to new execution context, right? For each iteration there will be new execution will be created, so that the value of I will be different. Okay, hope you understand this point. If you are not able to understand, please comment it out, so that I can able to clarify your doubts. Okay, now let's look at last problem. What is the problem? Write a function that locations. Okay, this is the problem. Okay, so we need to write a function that adds from two invocation. Okay, so let's add. So here I just assign this value. Okay, then we have another function. In this function I am going to return the value which will add a value and b value, and here we are going to return this function itself. So what happened here is, in first params I have added this value, so a value will be 3 and assigned it to new value. Okay, here due to closures it can able to remember this value 3, and with another parenthesis we are calling the inner function. Okay, so b value will be 4, so 3 plus 4 is equal to 7, and we returning this function. Okay, so that it will return 7. Just check it out and so 7. Okay, so this is how scope and closure works. Hope you got some basic understanding of how scope and how the closures are working in JavaScript. Okay, so hope you find this video is useful. Please subscribe to this channel and share it with your friends. We'll see you in another good video. Thanks for watching.